We got people by the crack house. The crack house is this building down and to our left.
Okay.
What? I can't hear you. What? Oh, okay.
Jim, where you at?
Careful, Dad.
Hey, they're going to the right. Looks like they're leaving. Hey, medic in here!
Medic! Where's our medic?
Oh, they're down by the bushes.
Where's your dad at? Medic!
There's a dark spot, so just try it there.
Hey, come, yeah, they're down here in this room. You can probably light them up.
Dad. Oh, okay.
That was the ricochet.
Oh,
We got snipers in the third. I think I got him. No, he's still there. He's gonna be right down
Nah,
here.
he's up there, right on him.
There's a guy right down here too.
Hey, snipers in the building.
All right.
Left of the awning.
All right.
Left of the red awning.
10 team spotted going downstairs. Ah, hit. They're probably shooting from the crack in the door.
Oh, good.
Okay, I need someone to get in the crack.
All right.
Okay.
1 second.
No, that's a door key, Gary. You out? Dude, I wish you could use all of it.
What the fuck?
Let's go! Finally have the AEG working.
Yeah. The sniper wouldn't have been that bad for this though.
Brian, James,
Oh, crap, dog. Yeah. Jeez.
you guys want to help us with guarding the door?
What's that?
Want to help with this?
Yeah, we need people with like SMGs for that.
I just freaking walked right out.
Is that everyone coming up?
I don't think so.
Okay, man. fail? Oh, that's nice. You got a hole right there. You got a hole. Good eye. Alright, so this is some, I don't know.
Yeah, come on, unless it's full, unless the logo's out.
From right here, I got to get lit up as soon as you start. From there, I can shoot to the hole.
Anyone want a grenade up here when they walk up here? Yes? No?
Yeah, so we can do that.
This is all.
Yeah, put this log down, because that'll give me a hole to shoot through.
Yeah.
Jumping out of planes, diving.
You got it? And then you might get a little bit of pressure in there. I mean, I made it last game, so it's not somebody makes it.
Alright.
Right here by the door. We could put this in front of that door.
I'm going to cover the
You are?
Yeah.
Okay. We're on the northwest window. Top story.
They threw a grenade in last time.
So we're just going full auto and again, right? Alright, contact. There's an advantage to this stairwell right here.
Do we have people downstairs as well?
There's a couple down there.
Good, I hope so.
Yep. We're definitely gonna need to watch the stairs. If they start coming up, we can back up and shoot right there.
What? This is fire?
No, it's good. I haven't set a battery, but. Wow, there you No, I think that's great. That corner there. Anybody got nades up here?
Yeah, right.
Because if they start coming up the stairs, man, we just.
I thought you're doing 1-6.
Yeah.
Place and names.
Everybody got names. I have names.
My daddy gave me a name.
I think I have one.
Who am I?
Damn it, this is dead. James, this battery's dead. Oh, boy. And this could have helped us a lot. You know,
Watch the snipers.
you have your head on,
I
right?
can see like the door.
So Dakota, Dakota, you should just stay right here then. Okay.
What gun is that?
It is a 140 unit. Everything on it.
Back and forth.
Yeah.
It's the value menu.
Yeah, the guy in the red hat there?
That's right next to the creeper. Bro, once it starts the one, I gotta go straight in here.
Ooh, that piece is good. Failure to go in the battery. Check your pistol. Alright? Check your pistol.
Is that 20 feet? Hey, they're already starting to started. That's what we agree. Almost all of us do that. You know what it was? They won last time because I got a feeling they're going to win this time. Yeah, everyone there. Yeah, and look, they all have their...
We have the ball. Go straight back. We just came in mass. And it just overwhelmed. Damn good. Yeah.
The one in the hat.
He's the one in the this goggles. Hey, this guy over here in the OD green, it's like second furthest back. He has a really good sniper. But anyway, he's a really good sniper. So who is it? The guy that trades his gun. It's like GMR. No, it's not Jay. It's like, there's the one guy, and then there's the guy that he just fixed in the window. He's a really good sniper. Yeah, it's going big. That really made me want to.
David!
They're all going that way.
Which
AJ.
way?
That way.
That way.
Get the stairs.
AJ.
Right downstairs we go.
Hey, I like our kind of mix right at the truck. The what? We are prepared. Hey, that big magazine. Where's that? AJ. That big barrel you have? Is that the truck? Where's that coming from? Oh, you got so close to getting in the face. Where'd that come from? From the BB went like right here, dude. GoPro on?
Probably
Yeah,
across the way. And they're in the doorways on that building right there. They're in the
And they're in the doorways over here.
Get the fuck out of that room.
Door on the right, Johnny?
yeah. Dang, he's got me big time.
When they're overwhelmed, then we'll back up barricade it. But they barricaded us when we go through. We got a sun to be up here, so as soon as they start getting in the stairwell, we can stop the sun to be well, we had half a dozen guys go out and then we go after them. Wait, where Dad? Dad, we had 6 guys go after them? Yeah, they went out and went that way. Our guys aren't allowed to leave the building. Did you say 5-3? 5-3? Yeah, I know.
Where they at?
This guy's coming all the way out here. I'm not going to watch coming out over here. We got over here and over here. There's a lot of them over there. Yeah. There's one right here. It's about 4
Hey, put the baby down for a second. I'm gonna shake my
Damn it!
Hey, lick your shade off the,
Yeah, I did.
I was like, oh crap! Testing your reflexes. Watch the corners, building 16.
All across here. Where's that coming from? Corner, 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 corner. That's fucker. The goddamn doesn't call attention. Got two. Hey, watch the corner. Hey, watch your ass. You're in my line of fire. That was my bad. I was on hold. Whatever you do, please do not shoot my sticker. Hey, where they at? Right side corner. He's still there. I'm coming. You gotta comment on my videos.
Yeah, dude, I was coming all over the videos. They
Right
took
here?
all this shit out. What's your channel?
Brian Saw 93. It's the lights off. That way I don't get spotted in the dark room. I'm going upstairs.
Pistol, that's all.
We got enemy fire coming right around that corner. Already one guy got hit outside. So,
Well, I'm not going outside.
I'm following you. Come on, you big day.
Tanner Green! Tanner Green in this hallway! Right here, Tanner Green! Okay, I'm guessing you're green. You got another one on top of this wall.
This guy's... Alright. 10. 10.
Friendly's coming in.
Yeah, we're all 10 right here. Friendlies.
Okay.
Leave you a medic?
No one's a medic right here.
Medic!
Do we have the flag hidden upstairs?
Yeah.
All right.
Upstairs and girls out.
All right.
It's in that doorway right there.
All right.
This defogger stuff works charm, dude.
Yeah, it started to fog up last round for me, but I just reapplied it and now it's crystal clear. Ugh. This might not be such a bad spot.
We shoot from these windows, think we can get them?
Maybe.
Can cover the fire?
Hey, front door of cafeteria? James, watch the cafeteria. I'm right here. We're good.
Yeah, all over that building over there.
This cafeteria right here?
Yep.
All right, let's go.
All over it. North Dakota's still in the comms.
What? It's too far away.
Not watch these doors. They're out of range. Yeah, they're good.
I mean, right here. There's the doorway right here. There's that one right there. That guy down there, I don't know if he's tan or green or not. You see anything, James?
Got one window. Here we go. Second story. Middle. What's it?
I'll be over here. Where are they coming from? Where are they shooting from? Oh, third story. Third story, third window.
Contact. Third story, far left.
Second story, far left. I think we got him.
Third story, far left. Third window. Friendly's coming in.
All right.
Third story, second window, second story, front window.
Oh, I see him, yeah. Oh, third story, first on the left.
Second fire.
Third story, second on the left.
Reloading.
Is your bottle of BBs in here?
That's not my bottle. What's it look like? No?
That's been in here. You got it in here.
No, I'm not hit. What? That's been in there for a while? Alright. Oh, I'm taking fires from somewhere. It seems like we have the cafeteria. Third story, third window, there's like 3 of them.
Blue shirt.
Blue
Second
shirt.
story. Friendly on your left.
What do you want to do? We're just going to waste ammo up here, honestly.
Yeah. Can we get down and fight?
Yeah. It's like, let's see how well the defense is going over here. Those are friendlies. For 10. 10. Alright.
You going in here?
Yeah, let's just go see.
You're lying on here, man.
This is Tan coming in. Alright.
Dan coming in.
Tan? Tan. Alright. How many? We don't need to know. Hey, how many people do y'all have in here?
We have 3 on that side, 3 on this side, and I've already missed somebody, so I need some help.
Alright. Okay, we're holding back pretty well, so y'all shouldn't. Yeah, my bad, man.
We're at.
I think we're gonna go a little bit further up and attack them.
Are you guys attacking?
Yeah.
We're gonna do attacking.
We're kind of like midfield almost.
Yeah.
Attacking? Good.
Alright, sounds good.
Hey, make sure, is someone guarding the stairwell now?
Nathan!
Yeah, let's get somebody on the stairwell over here.
Nathan! 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 Hey guys, somebody get the stairwell. I'm going to attack with that. I don't like it.
Let's get a feel for where they are. Just get by.
Blue shirts contacting. It's like 3. Contact 3.
Alright.
Alright, you dead? Second floor, left side. On your head!
Good job, James.
Shot all 3 of them, and all 3 of them walked away.
Yeah. Yeah.
Shot you 3.
Oh, third story. From where?
Next door, same window.
Oh, see him.
Shot that little bastard.
Oh! No, I'm not hit. Luckily, I can see him coming. You want to move windows? Let's go. Alright, I'm moving further down to the left. Third story, first window. What's up? Yeah.
I'm not kidding, dude. All three of them, straight line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All three of them hit. Oh, walk away.
Yeah, I've already burned through half my ammo too, so.
There's a bottle in there if you need it.
I have a speed loader.
Pissing me off so much. My green dot's working with.
Good.
Not nearly set it on, but it's working.
Alright, want to start heading downstairs? I'm really not that worried.
Hey, that kid I was talking to, that 22 beside me,
Yeah.
the big guy, he just comes up to me. He's like, you know, I've had pretty good luck with the ladies. You know, he just starts going into the closet in the back.
Talking about how it's going to be a ranger too?
Yeah.
So-
No, a Marine, actually.
Yeah.
He's like, man, after I lose weight and get my surgery, I'm going to be a Marine Corps. So,
His backup plan's a ranger is what he said.
yeah.
But there's no way, man. I'm sorry. We're not going to lose it that fast and be in good shape.
We get this green dot sighted and it'll be a deadly weapon.
Yeah.
God, I love this gun. I'm going to put some upgrades in it. I mean, you know, we're getting all those for dropping some stuff, because in there, a good little gun.
Oh, did we miss the doorway? I'm not sure. Dude, I really have no idea, like, because you looked at my flashlight pouch, it was empty.
Yeah. That's bubble wrap right there, by the way.
Yeah.
It was the most awesome idea ever.
Yep.
My problem with 2 point is I can't do weak side transition. You see him?
All right.
They're moving.
Is that?
They're moving up.
There's another doorway further this way. You want to go to that one? Oh. I'm coming to you. All right.
Green, come in. Arcane, friendly.
All right.
Okay. We got the same shot.
Yeah. Someone sees us.
Oh, shit, dude, they're moving in like crazy.
This way.
It's about to get hot.
Yeah.
So let's do that place that Dakota hit.
Oh, yeah. Much rear. Let's go. this in there? Right here. Just gonna make sure this is clear. Alright, yeah, I don't know where they are. Where are they at? Right here, Jen. Pretty good. We've just been firing from our second story across to theirs. We've been keeping their heads down and stuff. Far left side. Are you out? Are you out?
No, I mean, 20 feet. There's nothing to shoot.
Alright, yeah, my bad, man. I should have got my sidearm.
Oh, we're tan.
Oh, can't even see it on your right. Alright.
Oh, there we go.
Alright.
Let's keep going.
That's a good hit. I didn't fire it.
Everything else, like, just don't shoot.
Yeah. Alright, my bad, man.
See, that's considering. If I thought it was my SMG, I mean,
Oh, yeah, that's an SMG, yeah.
it's like this. I don't want to hit someone in the face.
Yeah, that's good, man. That's good.
I got two of them in the cafeteria. Naturally, they go hide behind the wall.
This guy's ours. Yeah, we were taking pop shots from our second story across to theirs, and they weren't calling their hits either.
There's a group of about 6. That's just one. So I have no idea where they are. I was going to panic for a second.
Let's just keep these hallways clear then.
Yeah.
This is not going to come out. I need to grease my holster.
Cafeteria? Oh, wasn't me in the cafeteria now? No, that was green, I think.
Oh. Oh, stay back. Where's the door?
How about you?
I don't know. I just know guarantee they're going to come in here.
It's a damn good place to have that.
Yeah. All right.
That's a dead end. We're tan, dude. That's a dead end.
Oh, no, sorry.
Here. You got a dead end. This is the way.
Okay. Well, I didn't hear that. So.
Redhead walking. Redhead walking. Redhead.
Up here.
Dan? No. All right. What happened? Keep bringing it on this way. Come on. Get out of the way. You go behind me. Oh, whoa, motherfucker! Seriously?
That's under
Are you fucking
350.
kidding me?
It's under 350.
Yeah, but right in my balls? Are you fucking
sorry,
kidding
man.
me? You have my legs to shoot at? Asshole! God damn, dude. You're a fucking idiot. Fucking dick. Oh my god, dude. Oh.
All right. I'll just call myself out for that then.